The correct execution of each stage of insulating a building determines the quality and durability of the final result. To prepare the adhesive used to fix the styrofoam. Combine clean, cool water in the amount specified on the package with the contents of the bag. After applying the mortar, boards should be immediately applied to the wall and pressed thoroughly. It is a good idea to check their evenness on an ongoing basis using a level. At least 24 hours after gluing the panels, you can proceed to the mechanical fixing. In the case of polystyrene boards, 4 to 5 dowels per meter square are used, and 6 to 8 at the corners. Cover the boards with mortar at the edges. For even substrates and sealing, the mortar should cover the entire surface of the panels. For making a kitchen sink and counter this worker, cut a frame from a plywood, which is more easy and fast than making it from marble or stone. He placed cement blocks under the sink for the support. After that, he places mosaic tile sheet to decorate the counter so it will look like a marble counter. Revco plaster is used on this wall with the help of steel trowel evenly. Then a perforated paint roller is used for the textures. These textures are very durable and also looks beautiful on walls. This worker demonstrates how to connect a column to a masonry wall. Metal spacers are drilled and slotted into place to form a brace for stability. To hold the cement into place, he slides in wooden boards to create a form. This little trick can be referred to as Sicilian slice patch or Cali patch. Fully effective, easy way to fix a small hole in any plaster wall. After plaster and paint, no one will ever notice that there was a hole inside this wall. This worker first places the lights in this order and then filled the gaps with the polished wooden dowel sticks of different sizes. It will give very futuristic and very beautiful look. To separate the lobby without closing it, these workers are creating a wooden bar separation. They use a laser level to make sure all ties are correctly placed before starting to set the bars. Before placing them, they add adhesive to the opening, better securing the join. Once places, fasteners are completely covered, leaving a floating sensation.